Hey gut feeler friend, this video is about MSM side effects and potential detox reaction. This video is perfect for you if you're already taking MSM, but you might feel tired or sluggish or just wired, or you want to know what to expect before you take MSM and understand your body's warning signals when it's just too much. Then this video is for you. We're going to cover the 4 most common detox and warning signs for MSM Methlysulfonylmethane or organic sulfur. If you're new to MSM, you don't know what that is, I'm going to link a video up here where I'm talking about why I love MSM so much. Looks like an illegal drug, but it's not. Organic sulfur is one of the most abundant elements in your body, so your body knows MSM. This is not some synthetic chemical, it's actually part of your body. To establish the baseline here right from the start, there are no real dangerous side effects that are really toxic for your body. But if you're not taking MSM in the right doses and at the right times, and maybe together with other things, then you might experience one of those 4 detox symptoms, side effects that we're going to discuss in this video. I have hundreds and hundreds of comments on the MSM video about, oh, MSM, I love MSM. And the next one like, oh, that didn't work for me at all. I just felt tired or no effect. So the reason why MSM works for some people and not for others is if your detox pathways are open, MSM feels energizing, pain relieving, beautifying for your skin, your hair, your nails. But if your liver, your lymphatic system, your gut are very congested and you're holding a lot of toxins, then taking MSM, especially if you take too much, can feel like a storm of symptoms just getting activated instead of giving you relief. So it's not about MSM being bad in general, it's just about timing and understanding what happens there in your body so you can support your body instead of just overwhelming it. And that's what we're going to talk about now on these 4 detox symptoms. Side effect of MSM, number 4, the most common one that I experienced myself, and I see that often with clients when we introduce MSM, are detox reactions. So if you're having symptoms like feeling irritable, tired, more fatigue, headaches, just feeling off like something is not right, or also skin eruptions, right? If the old acne comes out or suddenly your whole back is covered in pimples, rashes, itching. Why that happens is because MSM increases the permeability of your cells inside your body. What that does is it helps toxins to move out of your tissue faster. So when you have a lot of stored up toxins in the gut, in the lymphatic system, even in the brain, those go out quicker. It's easier for them to go out. And that's a good thing. That's one of the main benefits of MSM. But if that happens too quickly or you're dealing with a lot of issues and your detox pathways are overwhelmed, the liver, the lymph, the kidneys, then this can irritate your nervous system because those toxins that are coming out, it's a huge burden for the body because when those toxins are coming out, they are still toxic. Even if they're coming out of the liver stored from 20 years ago, it's still harsh on the body to get them out. So a few things that you can do. Most simple thing, just reduce the dosage. Go slower, it's too much. Also, you want to support your detox pathways. So gentle movement, sweating, sauna. I love sauna, especially in the winter. Making sure your bowels are clear, making sure you go at least once per day to the toilet. And this is general detox advice. If you're bringing out toxins, give the body a vehicle, which is spirulina and algae. I have a lot of videos about that because this is one of my other favorite superfoods. What these guys do is once the MSM activates those toxins to come out of your tissue, acts like a sponge. Apart from being super nutrient dense and having a lot of plant-based protein, those guys are actually binding to toxic heavy metals and making sure that goes out through your digestive tract and lands in the toilet and not gets reabsorbed through the enteropathic cycle, which is the cycle between the liver and the gut, like so often happens. And it's just a good detox support in general. If you want to learn more, I have a video about spirulina up here. And then again, detoxing for the body is not easy. It's a 24/7 job, so you want to rest. If you're feeling tired, don't think, oh, my body is failing me, I should be better. No, give the body the space, reduce MSM a little bit. If you're very sensitive and you're dealing with a lot of issues, focus on your digestion, really getting the detox pathways flowing, having the bowel movement at least once per day, because this is general foundational support for allowing the MSM to work better. I created a free gut healing cheat sheet, which is a mini poster that you can print out with 6 simple tips that you can implement in your daily life, no matter where you are in your journey, and supports and strengthens your detox pathways, but also your digestive system. Link in the description and also in the comments below. Coming on to number 3, this is something I just experienced recently because I went a little bit crazy with the MSM. So instead of just like taking half a teaspoon or things like that, I took 2 full heaped teaspoons because I wanted to experiment. And then my body said, too much. So if you're feeling, for example, anxiety, you're very irritable, you have any buzzing sensations, or disrupted sleep, that's a sign that the nervous system can be a little bit overstimulated. In my case, I'm a very sportive person. I had in one leg like a light tingling sensation as if a nerve was pinched, but it wasn't. I was just like, what is this? I've never had that before. And turns out I did a little bit of too much MSM. So what you can do is just pause it. Just give it a rest a few days and then start with a smaller amount. Also, if sleep disruptions is an issue, this MSM usually is energizing. So take it in the morning, not before bed or in the afternoon. And also, if the nerve irritability is an issue for you, you don't want to combine it with other stimulating substances, like even just vitamin C is also stimulating. And of course, caffeine, black tea, or any energy drinks are not a good idea together with MSM because they irritate your nervous system more. It's not the MSM actually that creates the nerve irritation, it's the toxins that you have in your body that can temporarily, while they're on their way out, inflame the nervous system. Because when they're stored up in the liver, you don't feel anything, right? The liver, for example, is just sponging up the toxins, but then MSM opens the door and said like, hey guys, time to come out, and they come out, and then temporarily might experience this nervous system oversensitivity. By the way, if you're wondering, oh Peggy, where do you get all these supplements? I have a shop, which is basically recommendation, where I post all my favorite supplements. I link them to Amazon, to US, UK, and also Europe, Germany. You can find that on peggyschirmer.com/shop. There are 2 more side effects of MSM I want to mention because they're also common. Number 2 is a mineral imbalance. This was also the case for me when I had these sensations in the leg. I was very active and at the same time going strong on the MSM. Symptoms for mineral imbalances caused by MSM can be muscle cramps or tingling sensations, more tension in the body than usual, headache, a little bit muscle weakness. And this is because MSM has a very strong cleansing effect on the body and it leads a lot of resources from the body. So if you're not replacing them at the same time and you're just going crazy on the MSM, then you might experience these mild mineral imbalances. But again, it's no big deal. What I like to do is I take magnesium malate, which is a very bioavailable form, also activates the body, and a clean form of magnesium glycinate before bed to rebalance the minerals. Also natural high quality sea salt or Himalaya salt, the pink salt, potassium trace minerals. Those are all important when you are taking MSM. And the best thing, instead of all these supplements, of course, is natural foods like celery juice, for example, which is concentrated phytochemicals and minerals that your body can absorb right away. Cucumber juice, coconut water, all these natural sources are good to support the body in this cleansing phase and shift your minerals back to balance. The last side effect I want to mention is a very classical one, happens to all of us, and it's so easy to be avoided. Number 1 is dehydration. When you're taking MSM, dry mouth, fatigue, headaches, a sluggish elimination, not going to the toilet often enough. And this dehydration from MSM comes because MSM pulls out waste from the body, and that process needs a lot of fluid to just get in motion. Just like a water slide, in a water slide park, to get those wastes out, you need the fluid. And if you don't have enough, you're dealing with those symptoms. So again, natural, high quality water, spring water, juices, coconut water. And one thing that I tell all my clients and that people seem to not yet know is when you're thirsty, that's too late. You should never be really thirsty because that's the body's warning sign that you're already dehydrated. So what I do is whenever I work, wherever I go, I always have my bottle of water next to me, so it's a no-brainer. To sum it up, If you're experiencing detox cleansing reactions from MSM, just remember that detoxing isn't a race. You're not needing to get the toxins out as fast as possible. No, because that's actually not good for your body and not good for your well-being. But instead, it's about rhythm. The body has its own natural way, and with the MSM, you support the cleansing. It's also necessary to build a strong foundation for that cleansing process, and one way to do that is to focus on your digestive system. Make sure you get the free gut healing cheat sheet where I share with you 6 simple tips that support your detox pathways to stay open, to feel overall better, more resilient to whatever comes your way, because your digestion really is the center of your body and deserves your love and your attention.